and welcome to my channel. This is Eleni, and today's play starts with this face that I drew using two colored pencils instead of graphite pencil that I usually start with. The colors I chose for sketching this was a blue and a purple. There is a description box under this video. You have to push an arrow to open it, and inside you'll find a link to a free printable sketch of this girl that you can download and print and come and play along with me. Now I'm using acrylics, and I have this set of 3 colors that you just saw in the video. They are called Matchmaker Set by Jane Davenport for Spellbinders. You can find it anywhere you can find Spellbinders products. And I think they are the best acrylics I've used for faces, because blending the 3 colors you can get any skin color you want. You can shade and highlight the face with them, but the best thing is that they have a matte finish, and that means that you can play over them using any medium you like, for example colored pencils, and that is very hard to do over shiny acrylics. Now I'm going to use chalk pastels. You can use any pastels that you have. I just recently got these chalk pastel colored pencils. They are called Carbothello by Stabilo, and you can use them dry and blend them with a blending stump as I'm doing here, but you can also use your fingers. You can also use water with these, and I will do that later on in this video. Just keep in mind that when you use chalk pastels, and I think pastels in general, you have to put some layers of fixative over your work in the end, so it doesn't smudge. Some of you may think that my videos are too fast, and I can understand that, but it is the kind of videos I like, and also I'm not able to upload longer videos with the internet speed available in my region. Just know that you yourself can slow down any YouTube video with 3 easy steps. You can find the instructions to that in the description box under my videos. As I said, these pencils are water soluble, so I'm now going to blend them with clear gesso. You can also use matte medium or water, of course. At this point I'm not knowing where I'm going with this, what medium I'll use on top, so I try to keep my options open. Therefore I would use the Liquitex brand of gesso or medium because it dries more matte than others. And here I decided that she has to be a mermaid in the water, because although I did all the mermaid prompts in May, it was long ago I did a mermaid on video. So I'm continuing with the Carbothello pencils, and this time I'm using them with water. You can see that they are water soluble, but the pencil line is also still visible. I'm drawing her tail with the same colored pencils I used to sketch her face, so that they match each other. And I'm continuing with watercolors. This is a tin where I've put my Davenport watercolors, but also some other miscellaneous ones that I got from a friend. I like the vibrant colors in Davenport watercolors and also her color palette, so they are my favorite to use. I left the sea watery to do the salt technique. So you take salt, any salt will do, and you put it on the watery watercolor and leave it there until all of it is dry. Then you take it away and you get this fun effect that you will see here. Here I'm taking care of these unwanted lines that was on the paper, and because they are not erasable, I'm using a white paint pen to cover them. And with the same pen, I'm putting some highlights on her face. And I'm using colored pencils by Derwent for more shading. So the thing with artist grade color pencils is that other brands have softer and other have harder pencils. So you have to play with different brands to see what you like and what suits you. I tend to get the set of 24 of each brand I want to try before I decide if I need more or not. I love to use these palette pastels for the cheeks, and as I do that, I smooth out other areas as well. These are part of Spellbinder's Making Faces collection created by Jane Davenport, and they are pastels, although they look like eyeshadows. And these colors, looking like lip gloss, are velvet pastels from the same collection, and they are also fun to play with. She could be done at this point, but I like more dramatic looks, so I'm going to continue playing some more. I'm now introducing the Power Pastels that are oil wax crayons, and I just love their beautiful and vibrant colors. Also, I think I need to make her hair a little more free, as she is a mermaid just coming out of the water. I have these tissue paper stars by Davenport that I will glue down with matte medium. And then I'll make some splashes with white acrylic, but you can also use white gesso. After that, I will use paint pens to define the stars. I have these Toolbar bottles that I filled with inks, and they are so fun to play with, so I'm gonna do that. And then I have this fine line applicator that I filled with white acrylic mixed with flow improver so that I can doodle with it, and I truly recommend that you create one for yourself. It's so much fun to play with. And before I stop, I think she needs some magical sparkle. So I used Davenport's Golden Age Ultimate Pen, that is a waterproof brush pen with a sparkling golden color, as you will see in the close-up. And this is it. Hope you came along and played with me, and hope you had fun, maybe even learned something. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, but also click the bell beside the subscribe button, because this way you will be notified about my new videos. See you soon. Love and kisses.